Hello, welcome again to the channel, and today we are going to look at how to compute the percentage of a grade and how to grade it. So in this column we'll find the percentage, and we'll be using this out of, so this total marks is out of 400, and then we'll be grading them here as A, B, C, D and F. So the first step is to compute the percentage. The percentage is computed by, so come here on H2, H3, then type equal, and since we're obtaining the percentage, I will open the brackets, the total mark divided by the out of mark here, and for this out of mark, make sure to lock it like that, then close the brackets, and since it's a percentage, we're multiplying it by 100, so multiply it by 100. So it's, you press this value total mark, you are dividing it by 400 and multiplying it by 100 for the percentage. Enter. So as you can see, the percentage is 3.25. Then on the, or still on this cell, come here until this changes to a plus, then drag it down. And with that, we have the percentage for all the students. So to ensure that it's like this, just place on decrease the decimal places so that it become whole number. So you decrease like that, press here, like that. You can see now the grades are in that format. So the next thing is to grade them. How do we grade them? To grade them, you will be using the nested if function. By nested if function, I mean we will be using if function for all these grades. So you use if for this grade, if for this grade, like that. So you come here on cell I3, and we are going to start with is equals to if. So you come and type if, open the brackets. So we are saying if this value is greater than this 90, and make sure to lock this 90 because it's only one cell. So log it like that, greater than 90, comma, open the quotation mark, and you're going to type A. As I was saying, 90 is A. Then comma, but before I put comma, it's good to use here if H3 is greater than or equal to the 90, get that value. Then open another, start another function, another if, say if, comma, the same value, this cell, if this value is greater than or equal to, or equal to 80, comma, open the quotation marks, we are going to have a B grade. Close the quotation mark, comma, again, if this cell state is greater than or equal to, now we are at 70, comma, open the quotation marks, and we are going to have a C grade, close the quotation marks, comma, if, open the brackets, is greater than or equal to, now we are at D, 60, comma, quotation marks, we're going to have a D grade, comma, if, in the last argument, if, actually we are not going to type the last argument. The last argument is very simple. You just type if not, open F. Then I'm going to close all those brackets that we have opened. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have open 4 open brackets. So the first thing to come before you press enter, you must have to make sure that all these reference cells and these ones, the E something, they are locked. So like the first one is locked, true. The next one is not locked, so press F4. When you press on this A2 and press F4, and this one E23 also press F4 to lock it, and the same to this one. So this formula says if this grade 83 is greater than the 90, it will be A. Then says if it's greater than or equal to 8, it will be B. If it's greater than or equal to 70, it will be a C. And if it's greater than 60, it will be a D. And if not, if it's below 60, it will be an F. Now this formula is complete, you just press enter and you get your grade. You can see it's a big grade. Then as the positive appears here, just drag down and you can see all the grades appears. So this person got a B, this got a C. You can see this one Fatima Ari got an E, an F, sorry. So didn't score well, and we can see we have a couple of B's, a couple of A's. And that's how we do the grading. Thank you.